I have an HU9000 model. This is a 65-inch. There is a 55 HU9000, 65 HU9000, and 78 HU9000 that we service. Mainboard and one connect box, common issues. So we're going to show you how to do a quick disassembly of the UN65HU9000, since that's been a requested video. We're going to start with the stand. There's 4 screws. And we currently just have it on a flat table with a moving blanket. If you don't have a moving blanket, just towels or, yeah, really any towels or blankets should do it. All right, these 2 screws are kind of stuck. And then we have just screws on the outside. So we're gonna go ahead and go through. If you're afraid of laying the screen down, they are very flexible. They can actually be completely flattened out and not crack or break. But of course, you do want to be gentle with it. And that's it. That should be all the screws. Now we can go ahead and just lift up the cover. And there we go. That's how we remove the back cover. Pretty simple. Now we do have the main board here. There's a few different types of connectors. So we're going to start down here, bottom right, we have our speakers. It has a little push pin that you press down on to release the mechanism here. And then we're going to slowly, gently wiggle it out. We have our 2 ribbons. They have latches. So I'm going to lift those up and then also gently wiggle it out. And then we have 2 pressure points on the sides. You want to push on the sides of those. Again, wiggle them out. Same with this connector over here. Another latch mechanism. There we go. And then finally, I think this is our IR and Bluetooth. So it's the same as this one, except it's facing at a 90-degree angle off the board. And there we go. 4 screws for the main board on each corner. And there we go. That's it. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it.